am Jamaican because my parents were born in Jamaica, and the family tree goes back all the way to Jamaica.
I am Jamaican.
Brown skin, woman, I love the vibes, I love the fashion and the passion you bring.
I am Jamaican.
Love is found this way in our hearts today. Yeah, I am Jamaican. She loves me now. Ooh, she loves me now. We are Jamaicans. No, no, no. You don't know me and I know now.
So insane. So insane. Little bit of patois for you. Patois. One question that I get asked a lot is, where are you from? I'm from England because that's where I was born, in Great Britain. I am Jamaican because my parents were born in Jamaica and I was brought up in a Jamaican household. I ate Jamaican foods. My mother and father were born in Jamaica. They were born in Frankfield in Clarendon in Jamaica. That's what you would call country in Jamaica. I've grown up eating Jamaican foods. My favourite foods of all is ackee and saltfish. My favourite snack is bun and cheese and hard dough bread. I was fortunate enough to live in Jamaica for approximately a year and a half. Previous to that, I've never been to Jamaica. Also, apart from my mother and father being Jamaican, my husband is Jamaican. And I was very pleased to hear that his parents were born in the same parish as my parents were born. So it seemed like it was fate that we would be together. There's parishes that I've never heard of, or I wonder what that's like, and there's certain foods and fruits that I'm not aware of, or how they're grown, and you know, my husband corrects me on those things.
Food-wise, you know, Jamaican food, ackee, saltfish, dumpling, yam, banana, stew peas and rice, the works. I am Jamaican because I was born in Jamaica. My whole family is Jamaican. I'm Jamaican by birth.
I am Jamaican because my mom and dad are Jamaican and my grandparents on both sides are Jamaican as well. I, for a short time, did live in Jamaica for about a year. I went to school there. I lived there, I ate Jamaican food and I heard the Jamaican language patois. My favourite Jamaican meal is ackee and saltfish, mainly because it's the meal that I've also had a lot by my grandparents and they used to cook it a lot. My favourite snack would be patty, beef patty especially, oatmeal porridge, especially with a lot of corns.
Patois is one of those languages that's spoken in Jamaica, even though it's not a national language. If you're born in Jamaica or if you are a Jamaican, you can either speak Patois or you do understand Patois at 100%. I don't use Patois often unless I'm speaking to someone who actually speaks Patois. Other than that, I speak English, which is the national language of Jamaica. Patois is one of those languages that outside of the island of Jamaica, it brands you as being from Jamaica, but inside of the island, it means something totally different. Depending on where you are in the island, if you speak Patois, it automatically puts you in a classification. Otherwise, you're expected to speak English, and people in Jamaica understands English clearly, and people in Jamaica understands Patois.
One time I have to switch it up. Make them know say me a yardman.
You tell them all the time, but none of them don't believe me.
Man, I done yard, man, so I'm gonna have to prove the Patois thing. I'm gonna teach the two of them, is it?
Well, go on. Everything gonna be alright.
Record it.
Yeah.
Oh. Jamaica.
Yeah.
I am
Wait.
All the time.
But none of them
But
are
none of them now believe me.
We are Jamaicans.